Most supermarket teas take at least, not less than 2 minutes to mash. That is, infuse if you've got a degree. So you have to wait at least 2 minutes if you want a good cuppa. So let's just boil the water, pop the tea bag in. I pre-boiled the water, it's not such a good idea, but for the purposes of this video, so I'm going to pour that on and go across to the cooker to time 2 minutes. So you've got to make good use of that time of 2 minutes. So I usually do some waist swings to keep my digestion in a good state, or possibly some qigong exercises as well, such as this one is very good, reaching up around the back and down. But 2 minutes is quite a long time, so it's good for mindfulness exercises of any type that you particularly like. We have now still only 1 minute on the clock there, so I could do another qigong exercise, which is this one. So it mustn't be over 3 minutes. If it's over 3 minutes, the tannin starts to make the tea bitter or strong. This is called builder's tea in London. I don't know what you call it in your area, but it goes without saying, it's changed the quality of the cup of tea I make to bother to time it each time. Make sure that in a hurry, I don't just leave it to infuse for 1 minute. And there we go. The timer is gone, so that's when I can take the tea bag out, and you've got your perfect cup of tea. Put the milk in. Has to be full cream milk really for a good cup of tea, I think.